Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome back to my second channel. Today, me and Maddie are going to be back to school clothing shopping. We're going to the mall.
Can I have it?
No, I want my Reese's.
Can I have a bite of one?
Yes, a bite of one. She tries to steal my candy. I'm currently in Melbourne, Florida. If you haven't been keeping up with me, visiting Maddie because I live in Georgia, so I flew down here to visit her for 2 weeks. And we're gonna go to the Melbourne Mall and go shopping, find some clothes. We cleaned her parents' best friend's house because he just moved in and he gave us $100 cash. So now we're gonna go spend all of our money. My Reese's.
Do you like a lot of peanut butter?
You can have one, okay?
Okay.
Okay, give me the other one. Steal my candy. Now that I've stuffed my mouth with chocolate. So here's my outfit of the day. I just got these new shorts from Cotton On when I went to Fort Lauderdale in the mall. That was my old mall. Kimmy was wearing these shorts and we went to the mall and I bought them. They're super high-waisted and they're like mom shorts. My belly button is literally down here and they go so high. They're loose and baggy and I don't own any shorts like this, so I wanted to get a pair. They definitely don't compliment like anything about your body, but they're just comfy and cute. This is just like this red crop top. It has like a little design right here, but it's from Tilly's and it's a racer back in the back. We just have a super crop top, very high-waisted shorts, and then checkerboard Vans, and Maddie's putting a band-aid on. The Melbourne Mall is 30 minutes away, so I will vlog when we get there. There's no need to vlog the car ride because we're just gonna jam the music. So I'll see you when we shopping. In the mall now. That took so much longer than 30 minutes. Christian can't drive. We're going into Hollister now though because I have a $25 gift card. Look, it's Emma Chamberlain. We're in Hollister. There's really not that much of a selection and there's a lot of girls in here, like a lot of girls. Maddie found shorts and a dress to try on. I found overalls and shorts, so we're gonna try them on, see if we like them. These first shorts are nose on both of us. They're like too ugly. These are the overalls that I have. They're fitting, but they're kind of riding up my crotch and they're kind of really long shorts. I like them, but I don't know if I like them that much. Also, Maddie, this dress is just too big on her because she's just small. I just look awkward in it. I feel like it's just not me. Hollister was a complete and utter flop. Nothing fit well, way too expensive. They had absolutely no shorts. It's a boutique. Do you want to go in it? Okay, we're going to the Copper Closet. This is a cute little boutique. These shorts look like what I'm wearing right now, like the same exact ones. How do we feel? We have more options. How do you hang these up? I'm scared. I'm gonna break something. Look at those. I can't take myself seriously. There's so many people in this store. It's okay. We're in this little boutique. I think it's called like Cotton Candy or something. You saw it when you walked in. Maddie and I are shopping. It's really, really cute. But as we were shopping, I was vlogging. You saw me with the sunglasses. And a girl came up to me and her name was Lizzie and she was a subscriber. So thank you for coming out to me, Lizzie. She was really cute. But I totally forgot to ask her if she wants to be in my vlog. I'm so bad at asking people if they want to be in my vlog because I'm just as much shocked as them for coming up to me. And then the employee was just like, are you famous or something? And she came over and got my YouTube channel. So this is just a really cool store. It is kind of expensive, but it's really cute. I highly recommend. It's very like trendy, girly clothes. But Maddie's trying on some stuff right now. After this, I think we're gonna work our way to Tilly's, but the store is really, really cute. And thank you to Lizzie for coming up to me. Maddie.
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, those are cute. I like them. Do you like them? So these are the workers. Oh my god. We just talked for a long time. We're gonna take pictures. We're in American Eagle now, but everybody knows that I love their boxers. They're literally so comfortable to wear as shorts. I have these. I want these, and I have these. I'm literally a boxer like fanatic. It's crazy. Oh wait, we have more. I have these. I was wearing these yesterday. These American ones are cute too. Oh my gosh. The real question is, will I need boxers for back to school? I don't think so. Let's find Maddie. She kind of just disappeared on me. These shorts on me are an absolute no. They have no structure, so they just look like baggy and disgusting. Back to school shopping is not having any luck. We've been to 3 stores and it's just not working out for us. By the way, for everyone asking, Maddie's really short and I'm really tall. That's why I'm like a giant compared to her. She's 5'1" and I'm 5'9". So if I go like this, then maybe we're on the same level. We're in Tilly's. I have flowy pants and a dress to try on. And Maddie has the same dress, but nobody is working back here to open it for us. These are the flowy pants. They fit really well. They're just expensive. They're like $27. They're really, really cute. They're light. I don't know though. I do not know, man. Then we have this dress. It's really, really cute and I think it looks good. I love the color too. It's really, really pretty. So I might get this, but like it's freaking $30. Why would I spend $30 on this dress? Will I wear it enough for $30? I do not know. This Hydro Flask is really pretty.
Oh, that one.
That's what I pointed to.
Are you pointing to this one?
Oh, I meant this one and this one. I really want a new hydro flask. Going into PacSun now and hopefully we can find something. Here's a bunch of really cute like paper bag shorts. I think that's what they're gonna call it. They're all buy one get one 50 in PacSun. Found this really cute yellow shirt that I think could be really cute with just like jean shorts. I'm looking at shorts right now though because I need like school appropriate shorts, not shorts that go up your booty. Also, I really want to find a pair of overalls because I don't know why they've just been attracting me. These are so cute. Literally everything is so small in here. Get something for the medium-sized people, please. These are $7. Yes, they are. Look at the tag. Sister's gonna try these on. This is cute. Katie, I can't reach. Okay, I'll help you. See, I did my breaking school dress code video, and if I wore that, I'd get kicked out of school. This is that yellow shirt that I was talking about. Obviously, I would never wear it with like baggy shorts because then it's like baggy on baggy. If you wear it with like tighter jean shorts, I think it could be cute, but I feel like it kind of makes my body look weird. Oh, that's really cute. Do you like it? I like it. Looks like she found something. Next we have these overalls. This is an overall skirt and it's honestly so cute. It is kind of like really big, but I like it. And it's literally only $7.99. I don't know why it's so cheap. I think it'd look really cute with just a tube top. So there's a lot of extra room like back here and everywhere. This is the smallest size that they had that would fit me. So we're gonna get it anyway. I think this is gonna be my first purchase of the day. We're in Zoomies now. I got a pink drink and I'm sharing it with Maddie. Look how cute this is. I just spent $58 at PacSun for 4 shorts. This is really cute. I'm gonna try it on right now. They don't have a large, you just have medium. You literally drank it all. No? Yes, you did. Okay, well, the one shirt that I want, they don't have the size that I want, so we're gonna leave now. So we're in H&M, and a little girl just came up to me, and she was so nice. But again, I forgot to freaking bring my vlog camera out because I get flustered. It's so cool, but it just like goes by so fast that I just don't know when to vlog. But we took a picture, and she was really nice, and she was with her family. Here we have a bunch of shorts, though. They're all on sale. Maddie's checking out, but I got some things. I'm not gonna show you guys what I got in this video because I'm gonna be doing a back-to-school clothing haul, but I found 2 dresses, so I'm really excited about that. I found overalls, so I've bought 3 things so far. So we hit every single store in the mall that we wanted to, and now we're going back into stores. We're going back into stores that we wanted stuff from originally but didn't buy. But I have a whole lot of stuff. I went to Hollister, PacSun, H&M. We're back at H&M now, and Maddie's gonna get this shirt. I might get it too because it's really cute. Also gonna try and look for something for Cole, but I found a ton of clothes, so expect a back to school haul coming on my main channel. I have 2 shirts to try on. Maddie has 2 shirts to try on, and we're gonna go see if they're cute. The damage has been done. We got here at 2 o'clock and it is now 6 o'clock. Oh my gosh, isn't that 4 hours? Her mom is here, so Maddie spent her all $100. I think I spent most of my $100 or all of it, I'm not sure. Gonna go home, sit down because my feet hurt. Hi guys. Oh, I'm a bad YouTuber. Oh, she tripped ribs. I'm a bad YouTuber and didn't end this vlog. It's literally the same day. It's just a bunch of hours later. I needed to end this vlog, and so to end it, we're gonna show you all the stuff that Maddie bought today. It's like 11 o'clock at night. We're so tired. I leave to go back to Georgia tomorrow, but I'm trying to post this video tomorrow. I don't know what I'm saying. It's way too late at night. Maddie's gonna show you all the things that she bought. I'm not gonna show you the stuff that I bought yet because it's gonna be for a back to school haul on my main channel. She went to H&M 2 times. She got this little white tank top right here, and then it has like the lettucing detail at the bottom, and this was $2.
I have this shirt.
And then the last shirt she got from H&M was this like red ribbed, kind of feels like sweater material, but
$12.99.
$2.12? $12.99. She doesn't have dress code, so good for her. Can't relate. So we were in line. Maddie had like 3 things in her hand and she needed 1 more thing to get like the sale, so she went, Katie, go grab me a shirt, and I grabbed this one for her. It's just red and white stripes. It has buttons on the side. It's in a size medium and it was $20. Buy one get one 50.
Free.
Free? Really?
And then this white tank top with little tiny like straps. And then like a ribbed material.
This one was $20 and it was small.
That was good.
That was good.
That was good.
It's a rib material, has tiny little straps.
Yeah, another rib material.
Literally, this is all ribbed.
I didn't get any t-shirts. I only got tank tops.
Maddie literally all got tiny crop tops that look like they're from Brandy Melville. And then I'm over here buying overalls. She got this blue little crop top. It's
with buttons.
It's $20, size small, but also it had the sale. This looks like what you wear when you were a little baby, but like in a good way.
I used to wear that little flower like on headbands and stuff when I was a baby.
I feel like every little girl did. And then it's just a tank top. It's ribbed again because
That's all she wears. That's it for the haul. Thank you guys for watching this back to school clothing shopping video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. If you like me, you can subscribe to this channel. You can follow all my socials, my Instagram, my Snapchat, my TikTok. Expect that haul coming very soon once I gather more clothes. All that being said, I will see you guys probably in Georgia the next time. Peace in the Middle East.